Big game day, wake up in the late afternoon. Call my boy Dust just to see what he's doing.
Hello?
What up, Dust?
Yo, Ben Dog, what's cracking?
You thinking what I'm thinking? Mass game, yo, it's happening!
Gotta grab my dirt jersey before we hit the game.
I can't wait to see the jet drop a floater down the lane.
You wanna grab a bite to eat before we go?
As long as we're on time for a Damn Gun show. To the box office,
Gotta get our tickets at the door.
Food acting like you never seen a coin jar before. Checking out the seats, the cheapest will do fine.
You call us Devin Harris, by the way, we're dropping dimes.
Sucker MCs, get off the floor.
We got all that we want, who can ask for more?
Tickets in hand, ain't no stopping us now.
If that don't get you hyped, then that's a technical foul.
Rowdy, proud, loud, that's what we are.
Ain't no half step in, it's time to raise the bar.
Rowdy, proud, loud, that's what we are.
We gotta represent to help the mass go far. The center's so packed, what should we do first?
Do I buy a Stackhouse jersey or a drink to quench my thirst?
I heard that the fan shop's got all the dope swag.
I'll just buy a hat and not take off the tag.
Before we hit the seats, man, I gotta get some food.
They got so many choices, man, I don't know what to do.
Gotta choose fast, cause my hunger is vicious.
BP and cotton candy equal crazy delicious.
Get out to our seat.
Match trivia's the illest.
Which four-man played for Phoenix and Los Angeles?
We answered so fast it was flawless.
And the crowd stood in awe when we screamed
Sensibilis! You better step back, cause it's about to get tragic.
About to see 48 minutes of mass magic.
Rowdy, proud, loud, that's what we are.
Ain't no half step in, it's time to raise the bar.
Rowdy, proud, loud, that's what we are.
We gotta represent to help the mass go far.